feel like my burps are getting stuck right here.
When they do that, you just kind of like that. Kind of You know what? Well, I remember. Oh goodness, it's like wet burps. And it smells like the food I just ate. Anyway, I remember when Joseph used to need to belch so bad, and he used to get me to pat him on his back.
Really?
You remember that? You ever had Joseph? Yeah. Even though he gone, I still have those memories. She's like, I'm gonna have memories again.
Yeah, he do say pat me on that.
Yeah, it's like he pat my big old brother, my big brother like a baby.
Yeah, he was older than us, my brother.
See, that's what it was doing to me. It's like a watery, stuck in your throat kind of thing. Yeah.
This one a weak burp video, y'all, because I ain't got none. Where your camera at? Where's the camera actually at? That's weird because it feels like. I still got makeup on from yesterday, making my eyes look dark.
Raccoon eyes.
Shit, you have it.
That's because I got on eyeliner and stuff right now. It's supposed to be glittery looking, but
I think I'm the winner. I think I'm the winner.
that's a nasty burp. That's
That don't even
nasty.
count. That's like wet dookie. Don't.
Shut up. That's why I said it was nasty, because it's watery and it's kind of, you can feel it. The water gurgitating in your throat. I don't even know if I said that right. I don't know if I said that right.
Right, regurgitating. Yeah, I think you said it right.
Oh. Gym tomorrow. We need it. We gonna at least try to go 3 days a week, so we need to try to go.
At least 3 days a week. See, my stomach is gas free.
But you know what's good though? This is just too much information, so guys, don't you cover your ears. When you go to the gym, it's good for your time in the month.
Yeah, it is. It's good for your bowels too. I taste some of that Chinese food I ate earlier. It didn't taste good now. It tastes good when I was eating, but I know burping.
I ate Sizzlers.
And I'm tasting it now, and it's disgusting. And it kind of burns my nose. Those little burps are not going to actually equal up to 2 big burps that I did. I did 2 big ones, and yours is not going to equal up to it. I ain't gonna do shit. Y'all heard? Okay. Yeah, I'm
That
done.
feels so much better. Oh, that feel better. Hold on, I got one
I'm
more.
done.
I got one more left in me. Hold
I'm
on.
getting full over here.
Oh, stuck. There you go.
Y'all ain't even got to say in the comments. I think that one takes the cake.
I had to finish it. I can't go back. The kids are gonna want it. Watery, nasty one, but it does smell. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. You didn't throw up, did you? I bet you anything after this video go up, I'm gonna as soon as I get done, I bet you I'm gonna have another burp. I feel like I got one right now.
Man, forget a burp. Y'all gonna get more than a burp if I keep trying. So I'm done. Just got some onion for my egg fouillon.
Alright, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos, and go, I guess check out my other channel. I'm supposed to have a video either up today or tomorrow, on my Crazy Mom of Girls. I'm going to start posting on there again, so